Hi, I'm Kim Jamieson-Hirst of Chatterbox Quilts, and today I want to share the 5 different things I wish I'd known before I started machine embroidery. Number 1 is the variety of projects you can create with your embroidery machine. I used to think it was only embroidering little Mickey Mouses or things like that on kids' t-shirts. Well, it's much more than that. You can create beautiful designs all in the hoop. You can create little stuffies. You can even use machine embroidery to embellish your garments, as I did on the back of this jean jacket. The second thing I wish I'd known is what type of stabilizer to use in what situation. There's lots of different stabilizers available, from tearaways to cutaways to washaways, and I wish I'd known which ones were appropriate for my projects when I first started machine embroidery. The third thing I wish I'd known was how to hoop up my stabilizer and my fabric. So it can take a little bit of practice to do this, but it's probably the most important thing you need to know when you're machine embroidering. And the other thing that's really important is if you have the ability to tighten your hoop, as I do here with this screw, really important to use a screwdriver to tighten up that hoop so things don't pop out when you're embroidering. Number 4 is the type of thread to use for machine embroidery. In my mind, there's really 2 choices: rayon, which gives a really nice luster, or polyester. A little bit shiny, but not nearly as shiny as rayon. And I wish I'd known what type of thread would work best when I was machine embroidering when I first started. Before I share the 5th thing I wish I'd known before I started machine embroidery, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my Chatterbox Quilts YouTube channel if you are not already a subscriber. It's easy and free to subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I release a new video. Now, number 5, I wish I had known the number of threads that I would need to have when I was machine embroidering. So there is a wide range of threads that you'll need in all kinds of different colors, sometimes very subtle differences between them. But when you're working in machine embroidery, a lot of times there's shading, and you need a same color, but just a slightly different shade of it to be effective in your design. I shared some of the projects you can make using machine embroidery, but there's something else you can do with it. Have you ever tried machine embroidery on soap? If you want to know about that, check out this video. It has all the information that you need. And for more helpful quilting information, be sure to go to my website at www.chatterboxquilts.com.